Here I have OPPO K11, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Personal Hotspot. So by tap on it once you can switch your hotspot, by holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings, and then by going to more. So here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can also switch it. Here you can set it up, like you can change its name, you can change its password, you can change its security protocol, you can change its AP band. You can hide your hotspot, you can use Wi-Fi 6 standard for it. You can also manage connections, like you can add devices to block list, you can set up maximum amount of connections and data usage limit. You can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected for 10 minutes. You can use it for Bluetooth tethering, for USB tethering, and for Ethernet cable tethering. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.